Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Danielle-ish. If you've never been here before, it's nice to meet you. I'm so excited because today I'm here, I'm back, I'm filming, and I'm so excited. So, I've been on a little bit of a hiatus lately. I've been focusing really hard on school, which is something that I'm not really, like, it's happening. Like, I'm starting to be like, this is important to me, and I'm almost done, and I should be graduating soon. Just try not to let it kick my butt. So, I took a very short couple-week hiatus from YouTube because I just really needed to focus, and I just needed to get the job done. So, I told myself once I turned in a very big project that I had that I would be able to sit down and film and chill with you guys. So, here I am back. That is turned in, there's no more, and I am here to give you some face. So, I'm super pumped because Beige Cosmetics has been a company that I have used my whole life. Beige Cosmetics is the company that I got all my first eyeshadow palettes from. It's the company that I got all my first brushes from, and I love Beige Cosmetics. I have a very special place in my heart from Beige Cosmetics. I started using their products when I was like 12. So here I am 12 years later. I'm here to be doing a full face of first impressions review from Beige Cosmetics. So I have not used all of their things. I haven't used their things. I've only used their eyeshadows and their brushes, and it's been 12 years since I've really looked at the brand, and It's Likely Makeup did a video and I wanted to do the same thing. So the look that you guys are seeing today is a full face of Beige Cosmetics, and I'm super pumped to show you the products that I got and what I thought of them. So if you guys want to see more from me and you want to see how I create this adorable look, then please just keep on watching. I'm going to start out with this Mattifying Studio Pro Face Primer. Okay, so I've never used these primers. Ooh, it's kind of like a jelly consistency. Like that, so you can see. I'm only going to use a pea-size amount because that's what it says. And it says it's a lightweight gel. And I'm going to put it on my T-zone. Now I'm going to go in with the Beige Cosmetics Liquid Foundation. It is in 204 Natural Beige. And I don't know if this is going to be my color. I'm terrible at picking foundations online. And I've never used a Beige Cosmetics foundation in my life. So I don't know. It's like it's a pump applicator. So I'm going to go ahead and start with it on my hands. We're going to pump it out like 100 times. Oh. I kind of want to use, it's a number 15 brush by Beige Cosmetics. It's a little big for a foundation brush, but I kind of want to try it since this is also a first impression product. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to, it's thick. Okay. I don't know if I like how a brush applies this foundation. Okay, we're gonna skip to a beauty sponge. They're going to do 2 more pumps and the party started. There we go. I am happy with the spot on coverage. I mean color, because I nailed it. But it's a little thick for me. But I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay. That is the foundation. Now for the concealer. This is the Beige Cosmetics Studio Pro Concealer in number 100. This is the lightest concealer that they had. Oh! It's kind of thick. But it's actually creamier than the foundation. I like this concealer. So far, I like them. I think I can mix them with other things in order to make them kind of more the consistency that I like. But so far, so good. So the next thing that I'm going to try, I'm freaking terrified about. So when I watched It's Likely Makeup's version of this video, she had purchased a cream contour set. And she loves cream contour, and my skin is really dry. So I was thinking, well, maybe I'll try cream contouring. So I got myself some cream contouring brushes, and I don't know, I'm really scared. I've never really cream contoured before, low-key terrified. But this is what the Beige Cosmetics Studio Pro Cream Contour Palette looks like. And I'm freaking terrified. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to react. I don't know what's going on. So we're gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna go in with this Beige Cosmetics Studio Pro 19 Cream Contour Brush. In order to stay light, I think I'm gonna go in with this right here. This is the lightest color, and we'll build. We'll see what happens. I can't tell if this is taking off the foundation or not. I don't know, I can't tell. But I'm not mad at what's happening. I don't know. This looks pretty good. I need to do my chin. Terrified of contouring my chin. Okay, well, this looks pretty nice. I am going to go in with this brush, which is the Beige Cosmetics Studio Pro 14 brush. And I'm going to dip into this banana color and just cut. I'm actually going to use this Pro 15 brush that I tried to use in the beginning, and I'm going to use it in the regular powder, and I'm going to take a mix of the banana powder and of the white powder. And oh my goodness, I'm just going to pat this stuff down just to brighten up these areas of my face and set them. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so that's cool. I'm done with that. Ooh, this is crazy to me. I'm using legit products I've never used before. Next, I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Trio. This is in the medium kit. So I really like a spoolie. It does not come with a spoolie. So I am going to spoolie my brows. Get them all nice and fixed. And I'm going to take this little BH Cosmetics brush and just see what we can do here. And I'm gonna just go ahead and dip into this thing. Don't worry, we're gonna clean these up and I'm gonna do the other one off camera. Well, if these aren't the sharpest brows you've ever seen, this is really good. I like this. I will admit, I have used this before, but it was a very, very long time ago. I actually know how to do my eyebrows now, so that's cool. But I'm really excited I got this again. I wanted to give it another shot. Now it's one of the moments we've all been waiting for, if you haven't been waiting for this entire video, as one single solitary moment of new things and findings and adventures. This palette, it's called the Bronze Paradise palette, and this is the Beige Cosmetics Dirty Because of Handprints. Awesome palette. I love this because it's kind of like an all-in-one palette. This palette has so many different eye shades. It has a highlighter and it has a bronzer in it, and I'm just thoroughly pumped. So this is what this looks like. We have all of our eyeshadow shades. We have 9 of them. We also have a highlighter and we have a bronzer. So I figured this palette would be a good one because I can do all the things with one thing, and maybe traveling could be a really great travel palette. So I'm gonna do my eyes, and I didn't buy a new brush by BH Cosmetics, but I do have an old favorite, and this is just a fluffy blending brush from BH Cosmetics. I've had it for the Lord knows how long, and it's my ride or die, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this today, and we're gonna come up with some eye looks. So I'm gonna go in with this middle shade right here. Darker shade right here. I really like this. This is really pretty. I'm going to use a gold that's in the middle here. I am going to take a little bit of this highlighter and just, whoa. I have this super old BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to dip it in there. And then I'm going to take a teeny tiny brush and I'm going to grab some of that blue. So I'm getting, okay, this is cute, I'm liking this. So I normally would do eyeliner, and I'm obsessed with eyeliner, but I don't have eyeliner because I did not get one. I really wanted to get a mascara and an eyeliner from BH Cosmetics, but unfortunately they were sold out. So I went ahead and bought these Studio Pro BH Cosmetics M202 lashes. I think they're gonna be really pretty. I think they're really light, but we will see how they go. Came with this teeny tiny lash glue, so we are going to use this. Well, that was like the most annoying and stressful moment of my life, was trying to get these lashes on my face. I like the way these look now that they're on my eyes. However, getting them on my eyes was a whole nother situation. I don't know if I would order the BH Cosmetics lashes again. I am used to wearing kind of thicker banded lashes now. So these are gonna be a pass for me, but for the look, they're adorable and I like them. So I don't have a good highlighter brush for, actually, maybe I will use, nah. Let's try this Luxie Beauty Pro Precision Tapered, and I want to go, oh, this is how much pigment just got picked up. I'm going to spray this with the Beige Cosmetics Studio Pro setting spray. It's like a huge bottle, but I'm going to douse that and put it on my face. Ooh. I do. And it's cute because it's like almost duos as like a blush, which I really like. Oh, yes. Ooh, 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 this is amazing. I'm obsessed with this. It's so pink and red, and normally that bothers me, but I really like it. Okay, I'm actually gonna go back in with my powder contour kit and go in with the banana powder again and just kind of mattify my face in certain regions. But I want that pop of pigment on my nose. Yes. And on my cheeks. Oh my god, I love it so much. So I do have a liquid lipstick from Beige Cosmetics. It is called Sorbet. I've never used their liquid lipstick, so I'm pretty excited. I like this one because it was like a nude. Oh my god. I lied. A nude. It is not. Okay. Last but not least, I'm spraying my face with the setting powder. With that makeup setting spray, excuse me. Oh my god, the power. Well, that setting spray just rocked my boat. That's what that just did. Alright you guys, that is it. This is the face. This is it for today's tutorial. I love how colorful I am today. Something that's a little bit different than I normally do, but it's still got my natural spunk, you know. So I like most of these products. I think I will use these products. I love the eyebrows. My eyebrows are fleeky right now. They look awesome. My face is a little cakey, so... And in my smile lines, I'm creasing. I do need to experiment more with the cream contouring. I'm not very good at it, and it's an art. So I want to figure it out. I want to get better at it. So I definitely wanted to incorporate getting cream contour products. The brushes are good. I think this one's great for contouring. I don't really like these for anything. They're a little too dense for my taste. They're like really, really light and fluffy brushes, but I will definitely use this one again. This palette kind of blew me away. This palette, it is really cute. It has everything you need. I've already tore the bananas out of it. These shadows are really pigmented. I was immediately surprised by how much pigment is in these shadows. This bronzer is super cute. It's a little bit orangey for my taste, but I think I can make it work, and I love this color as an eyeshadow. And the highlighter, holy moly, dude, this highlighter blew me away. Blew me away. My inner corners are popping. Look at that. It's crazy. Beige Cosmetics, this setting spray comes out like a waterfall. Like you're like through me. If you want to see more from me, please click the subscribe button. I will list links in the description box below of all the products that I used today. And if there's anything else you need from me, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click these videos if you're interested in watching more of me. Or if you just want to look at my face, those are good things to click if you want to look at my face. So, I love you guys. This is me signing off. I'll see you next time.